Hi friend, and welcome to the 12th video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. In this video, I am featuring tiered organizers. Remember, you want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. You probably have not thought of these important tips to consider before purchasing this type of organizer. The purpose of a tiered organizer is to allow you to see items at a glance that are placed behind other items. You don't want to store small items like spice jars on racks that have a wide space in between each wire, because the jars will fall over easily. Also, you don't want to purchase one without first checking to see that it is able to handle the weight of what you would like to store on it, as the bottom may bow. And finally, you want to check that it is properly level, otherwise your items will slide off as other items are moved or removed. Clearly, these Dollar Tree wire step storage racks are no good. Other tiered organizers, besides the one I am modeling here in this video, are great to use for a variety of items if you are able to see each label. If not, you can relabel the top of each item, or you can stagger them to see the labels in between. Or you can store smaller items in front of the taller items. For smaller items like spice jars, you will want to use a tiered riser that has a lip on each step to prevent them from toppling over as you grab other spices. For larger items like cans or jars, you will want each step to have a non-slip material to prevent items from moving when you grab other items. Don't forget to use the space in front of this type of organizer so that you can maximize its use. While these organizers are typically designed for spices, they really can be used for anything you want, like oils, supplements, small craft materials in jars, a small herb garden, etc. I think the pretty metal organizers can be great for creating a mini herb garden with small terracotta pots in your kitchen, or you can even have a little succulent garden. If you have a variety of items of the same size that you would like to have easy access to at a glance, this can be a good solution for you. Before you run out to purchase a tiered organizer, you must measure the items you need to store so that you will be able to see the labels behind the items in front. That means you will want to measure how tall each tier will need to be in order to allow the labels to be visible. Otherwise, you will want to be prepared to make labels. You will for sure want to measure how wide each item is to make sure it is not wider than the depth of each shelf of the organizer. First, as always, don't purchase more tiered organizers than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products in general. As usual, I will have links to affordable versions of tiered organizers on my blog. The direct link to the blog post is below. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of a tiered organizer will be a good solution for your space. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!